Grandma, my, what big eyes you have. The better to see you, my dear. And Grandma, what sharp and large teeth you have. The better to eat you, my dear. She's like, I am not amused.
She's so pissed off at us.
Chelsea, I love you.
Good girl, baby. Good girl. I know, Daddy's messing with you and you don't like it.
He called me a wolf, and he said that I have big eyes.
Chels.
And I'm self-conscious about those eyes.
The funny thing is you're still talking and she's making the faces that go with it.
I'm so sad. You have no idea how many hours of therapy I went through. Just so somebody could tell me my eyes were brilliant. Woe is me.
You're in the light.
I am sad. Woe is me. Who am
I can't.
There is no one left to love me. Do you love me? I love you.
I'm sorry, I can't stop cracking up.
She's like, really?
Chelsea, you're a good girl, baby. Don't worry about Daddy. Good girl.